Disclaimer, no tears will be shed in the making of this video. Okay. Hey y'all, and welcome back to another vlog. It's gonna be a lot going on in this particular video. First of all, if you hear this fan, I just need y'all to excuse me because on the day that I'm recording it, it is currently 10 degrees in St. Louis. Why? That's just totally unnecessary. Like, if it was blizzard, pretty winter day, okay, but just 10 degrees for the sake of being 10 degrees, miss me with it. But anyway, I am currently on the way to the post office. They actually called me and they was like, Faye, and I'm like, what's up? And they was like, if you don't come get these packages right now, we sending them back tomorrow. I'm like, whoa, what's going on? They was like, we got a whole bunch of stuff. So this is actually our third trip up there, and the post office is getting sick of me. So I just want to say to our family, to our friends, and to my amazing subscribers, thank you so much for being a blessing to my son. This really blew me for a loop. I was not expecting this at all, but when I say y'all have showed this baby and my family so much love, so much so, let me cut this down because I'm starting to get a little warm. So much so that, like, my husband is not the type that ever, listen to me, he never says let's make a video. That's not his thing. The only time he comes on YouTube is if he trying to support me in something that I got going on, but in reality he's like, I really don't fool with that. But anyway, he was like, we have to make a video saying thank you and showing everybody what was sent in. So we are going to do some form of a virtual situation. I don't know if it's gonna be live or we're gonna record. I know he prefers live, but I don't know, child. Just know we're gonna show y'all a video soon. So anyway, on the way to the post office, I have to make a stop, and I'm gonna tell you why.
Thank you for choosing Starbucks. I'll be with you in just a moment.
Okay.
Thank you so much for your patience. What can I get for you today?
Hi, I have a mobile order for Faye.
For Faye?
Yes.
Okie dokie. Hold on one moment. Let me take a look.
Okay.
What all was in the order?
Egg bites and a white chocolate mocha.
Egg bites. What size was that white chocolate mocha?
I believe it was grande.
Okay, here, found it.
All
Perfect.
right.
We'll have that ready for you at the window.
Thank you. Honey, this was absolutely necessary. I have actually cut back on coffee a lot. I've cut back on Starbucks in particular a lot. But today, oh honey, I need it because since I've been in my third trimester, if you knew how I am 31 weeks pregnant. And you know, it's a blessing or whatever, but it's rough. And don't get me wrong, it is a major blessing. I thank God for my baby. But right now I'm dealing with insomnia heavily, and it's due to some hormonal changes. It's completely normal, but today I need to actually do some work and I can't afford to be passing out all day. So I am, child, I'm ashy first of all, but listen, I'm ashy all the time since I've been pregnant. My skin been dry, my lips, my face, everything been dried out. But anyway, I need to get this coffee in my system so I can have some energy to work, because if I don't work, I don't make money, which means I'm gonna be in DJ pocket. And I mean, he don't mind, but still I'm sure he would prefer if I didn't spend up all his cash. I mean, I really don't care, but you know, let me not act like that on camera. So let's get this coffee, let's get this breakfast, and the next time y'all see me, I'll be at the post office. Boom. All right, so I just pulled up to the post office. Let us pray they did not send my baby stuff back, and we still got some packages here. And let us pray I can fit all this stuff in my car. Let's go. All right, so I just left out of the post office and loaded up my car, and I just want y'all to see. Now, mind you, this is the third trip to the post office just like this. When I say y'all have showed so much love to my baby, I cannot say thank you enough. So hopefully now y'all understand why I've been crying, because the absolute love and support that has been given to me, I really just can't even explain it, y'all. Like, this means so much. Let me get off this cold. Okay, so at this point, every little thing that I have to do that involves being outside, I'm getting ready to do it now, because once I go in the house today, I'm not coming back out, especially since it is 10 degrees right now, and when it get later, the temp gonna drop, and ain't nobody got time to be acting like I'm in Antarctica freezing and carrying on. So a couple things that I have to do. My photographer for my maternity shoot this weekend, she needs my bra size. I told y'all in the last vlog, I don't know. I don't know. So we gotta go bra shopping, and then I need some, you know, some other little underoos or whatever, because you know I need them. Child, I ain't pregnant for nothing. And I listen, we got to spice it up, especially, you know, the body change. I'm trying to make things look good or whatever. So anyway, in addition to that, now here's the thing. St. Louis, I love St. Louis with all my heart. I love my hometown, but finding someone who could do my hair on the Sunday of my shoot has been very, very Like that, I have one stylist that I go to. I love her. I don't think she works on Sunday. And for the style I want, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just do it myself. So I need to go to the beauty supply and pick up the hair that I want. But most importantly, we need to wrap everything up so I can get out of this cold, because honey, I am freezing and still very ashy. All right, so we just got to the mall. I went to the beauty supply and got everything I needed for my hair, but I was just in and out, so I ain't taped it. But now I'm getting ready to get sized for this bra. I am really I'm a little, you know, curious as to what she gonna say, so I'm hoping that they actually have some strapless bras in stock. That's gonna be my new size, whatever they shall be. So let's go get it. Okay, so we're back. All right, so I started my weight loss journey May 2020. That's when I started working with my surgeon, had my surgery July 13th. And on that day, I was at 40 triple D. Well, as of June 2021, it was either May or June, I got resized at Victoria's Secret, and I found out I was a 38D. So I went from a 40 triple D to a 38D in about a year's time. Well, I knew that something was feeling real full lately, and so I didn't even bother with Victoria's Secret. I was like, honey, for this load I'm working with, I need to go to the big girl store. So I went to Lane Bryant, and of course I couldn't tape or whatever, so I walked in there and I was just like, are you all sizing right now? They were saying due to COVID we're not able to, but if you want, we can give you our measuring tape. And I was like, cool, if y'all give me instructions that'll help. I'm pregnant, I need some new bras. And it's something about, as soon as a woman sees another woman is pregnant, they get really helpful. And the lady was like, oh no mama, I'm gonna help you. And she actually sized me. So in 7 months I have gone from a 38D very comfortably right back to a 40 triple D. I was like, wait a minute, man, what? And I told her, I said, I lost weight, so I had some old bras that was a 40 triple D, and they actually fit funny. Are you sure this is the right size? But then I remember, Faye, those bras are old. And so now you can actually try the bras on. They didn't have any in stock in my size at Lane Bryant, but it was a Torrid 2 doors down, and I grabbed the bra, and sure enough, I have gone from a 38D to a 40 triple D during this pregnancy. And mind you, I am not even fully where I'm going to be, because I don't have all my milk in yet. I got a little bit of colostrum, but you know, when you start nursing, that you get some boobs. And so I'm like, Lord, what is gonna happen to my back?
Oh, my neck, my back, my neck and my back.
Nevertheless, I have my bra size now. I have my bra and my undies for my photo shoot. I text my photographer. She needs me to get a nude bodysuit, and I'm like, Lord, I hope I can find one my size, but you know what, we're gonna figure it out. So anyway, I need to do that, but before I actually go shopping, I need to go home and film. I want to do a video and put it on my channel. So yeah, if y'all see me in this, just know it was filmed the same day as the other video or whatever. So yeah, let me go home and get to work, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Hey everybody, so today is the day of my maternity shoot. Yesterday was the day that was supposed to be my baby shower, and of course it stung a little bit, but I made peace with it. But I had a friend come in from out of town. Hey, Tiara. She had already made her plans and stuff to come before we canceled the shower, and she came to town anyway, so I got to spend a little bit of time with her. But I've been a little busy this weekend, so I have not had time to prepare my hair for the shoot. So last night I attempted to go to bed early. Well, it wasn't really early, it was just early for me, child. But anyway, we have new neighbors who decided to have a party. Okay. But around 1, 2 o'clock in the morning, it's still loud. So I knocked, and instead of adjusting their volume or anything like that, they knocked back. And to say that was annoying is an understatement. But anyway, I say all that to say I didn't finally get to sleep till around 2. And I told y'all I've been battling with insomnia this 3rd trimester of my pregnancy. So it is currently, I don't know if y'all can see it. Y'all can't. It's 4:06 in the morning. So I'm working on 2 hours sleep. And I said, you know what? I had planned on waking up at 6 and getting my hair done, because the style that I'm doing, it won't take long. But I figured since I'm already up, let me go ahead and get it over with. And then when I'm done, hopefully I'll be able to take a nap. But yeah, this has been a rough day so far. But anyway, what I'm going to do now is go ahead and take these braids out And because I have not done a style like this in a while, I don't want to talk through it. I want to be able to concentrate. So I'm actually just going to cut on some music and let y'all vibe out to that. And I'm going to show y'all how I get my hair done.
A few moments later.
Hello there, darling. Mother got a face. So I just got my makeup done for the photo shoot. This is how the hair is looking so far. I need to brush it out or whatever, but I wanted to show y'all what everything looks like before I go to the photo shoot. I don't want to talk too much because I don't want to cause the makeup to break down. If you're in the St. Louis area, I will leave her information, the makeup artist information, in my description box. She was amazing, and honey, I was actually able to take a nap in the chair, which was much needed. Even though it was a small nap, at least I'm starting to feel alive again. So let me go ahead, get this photo shoot over with, and then I need to talk to y'all about some of my experience yesterday. What up, y'all? So I have actually just come home from my maternity shoot. I'm recording in my car because, listen to me, like I told y'all, I am tired, and once I get in that house, I am going straight to the bed. Don't pass go, don't collect $200. We're out this piece. So anyway, I wanted to tell y'all about my shoot. I didn't think I was going to be able to get any footage, but my photographer actually used my phone and got some behind the scenes things. So I'm not going to show y'all all the looks. I'm not going to show you a lot, period, because I do want to respect her work process, because she's very meticulous about editing and making sure things are done professionally. So I'll show you like a couple behind the scenes clips, but that's about it. But y'all, I just cannot express how much I loved today, from my makeup to the photography. Just everything was just, listen, I won't say that I haven't felt beautiful my pregnancy, because I honestly have, but I have been very open with y'all about the fact that since May of 2020 up until my pregnancy began in July of 2021, I had been so focused on fitness, health, and weight loss that it kind of had consumed me a little bit. And so now to be in the place where I'm gaining weight, like, and realistically, I've only gained 28 pounds. I'm 7.5 months pregnant, got actually less than 9 weeks to go. So to only gain 28 pounds, that's not a huge deal, and I can easily lose that, like, easily. But at the end of the day, sometimes it psychologically messes with me to see the scale going upward. So to make sure that I'm not down on myself about anything, this pregnancy I've been very, very intentional about doing things that make me feel beautiful, whether it's making sure my eyelash extensions are done, or doing something for my nails, or just is doing stuff for myself to make me feel good about my appearance. And so for my maternity shoot, I was very, very particular about the photographer that I picked, and the reason I picked her style is because it was very soft, very feminine, and just like she always makes pregnant women look beautiful. And so today, just to see myself look different than what I have been looking my pregnancy, and not to say that I let myself go by any means, because I don't think that, honey, mother's still cute, okay? But I've been very, very tired. Like my first trimester, I was dealing with anemia really, really bad. So it's just like I would stand up and get ready to pass out. DJ would have to catch me. He or my mom, they would take turns making sure I had cooked food in the house so I would not have to stand up and cook. Like I downplayed a lot of my struggles of my first trimester, but y'all, my anemia really was messing with me. And so it's just like I didn't fix myself up like I normally would because I literally didn't have the strength. And then second trimester, I was feeling a little bit better, but now I'm starting to feel a little bad again. And so to be in the position today to where I saw myself like I like to look, that just was such an amazing feeling. So even though I did my own hair, I really do like it. I love my makeup. My photographer was everything. Like today, I felt like a princess. Like I felt really, really beautiful. So if you're in the St. Louis area, my makeup artist, this was my first time working with her. Her business is called Uniquely Styles, and my photographer is the greatest of all times, pointblankperiod.com, and her name is Rae Marcel, and I will put her information in the description box as well. Both of those women were extremely professional, very, very timely, highly skilled. They were kind to me. They made sure I felt confident. Honey, my makeup artist let me take a nap while she was beating my face, okay? And then something that I was really proud of is that they are both black women, so I was able to support black women-owned businesses in getting my maternity shoots. So that is my wrap up on that. I do still have something I want to talk to y'all about, but I need to go lay down because, honey, listen, exhausted is not the word, and I wish my neighbor would cut on some loud music today. Try me on this day and prove me now and see if I ain't crazy. What's up, y'all? So the quality of this section of the video may seem a little different. I'm actually on my phone. I had a totally different ending planned for this video. I wanted to take y'all with me to the gym, and there was some other things that I wanted to share with you all that's been going on, but I can definitely tell my lack of sleep and my lack of hydration is catching up to me. My body feels a little weak right now. Like, I'm okay, don't get worried or anything like that, but I can definitely tell some changes in my body. And I've actually been having mild cramping. It's not severe or anything that I'm alarmed about. But in talking to people who are familiar with the situation, it was just like, yeah, you're feeling that way because you're not drinking enough, and everything that you're giving yourself, your baby is taking from you. So that's why you feel like that. So I'm going to spend the rest of the day rehydrating and trying to rest. I promised DJ I would sit my tail down because that's his biggest thing. He was like, listen, at the end of the day, forget all this. You need to be safe so that baby can be safe. So that is what I'm going to spend the rest of the day doing. And I'll catch up with y'all later once I get myself together and once DJ stop watching me like a hawk. Because, honey, when I say he ain't letting me get no passes on nothing, which is the right thing to do, because, of course, the safety of the little baby is priority. So, yeah, I'm going to spend the rest of the day resting, drinking some fluids, and probably watching some Netflix. And I'll catch up with y'all soon. Love y'all, Maki Dada, and I'm out this piece. Bye.